How to get this look by using just 3 products. Yes, you heard it right, just 3 products. So let's get started. I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. You can use any concealer which you have. Apply it on the higher parts of your face and also apply it on your dark spots or your dark circles and on your upper lid. After doing this simple step, the next step is take a blending brush or the beauty blender which you have and blend this out. Just one thing to add, if you haven't subscribed me on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe me. This will help me out. Well, the next step is mascara. I'm sure this is a product that every girl has it, right? Use the same mascara, just remove the excess product of it and apply it on your eyebrows. This is also one of the hack which I haven't shared it with you guys. I hope you can see the difference. Next and a final product, lipstick. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow. I'm going to use this as a blush. Yes, this is a multi-purpose product for me. Now using a blending brush, just blend this out. Trust the process, girl. I know I'm looking like a clown right now, but you should trust me on this process. Going to our next step. So use the same concealer and apply it over your blush. This will give you that flawless, that natural blush look. Completing this look with a lipstick. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe me on YouTube. Bye-bye.